Only mature cashew fruit is chosen for processing. Harvest teams gather thousands of cashews every morning. Quality control starts long before the factory gates. Small harvests combine into large-scale production volumes.
Freshly harvested cashews move quickly from the field.
The harvest begins its journey toward processing.
Every batch is tracked from tree to factory.
Traceability ensures consistency throughout production.
Fresh cashews are packed for the next stage.
Every shipment follows a carefully managed route. Freshness depends on speed and coordination. Modern logistics keeps production moving without delay.
Every shipment enters under strict control.
Traceability follows every cashew from the field.
Accurate positioning ensures efficient transfer.
The factory receives its first look at today's harvest. From transport to processing, the handoff begins. The next step will determine the path of every cashew. Inside the facility, every shipment begins with verification. The factory awakens around the arriving harvest. Every movement is organized for efficiency. The harvest prepares to enter the production stream. The factory's transformation process officially begins. Ahead lies the first step in preparing cashews for processing. Continuous movement begins the cleaning process. Unwanted material is separated from the valuable harvest. Airflow helps refine the incoming product. Additional safeguards protect the production line.
Human expertise complements automated systems.
Sizing begins to organize the harvest. Another layer is about to be removed. The final layers separating shell from product are now removed. The transformation begins by preparing the shell.
The harvest is opened for its first factory assessment.
Careful sampling ensures accurate evaluation.
Precision control protects product quality.
The product becomes more uniform with every step.
Controlled storage keeps production balanced.
Density analysis improves consistency and quality.
Machine vision identifies what the eye may miss. Only suitable product continues forward. The harvest is now ready for deeper processing. Cleaned cashews gather before transformation begins. Ahead lies the stage where raw cashews begin to change. The factory reaches one of its most critical stages. The valuable product begins to emerge. The heart of the cashew is finally revealed. Drying prepares the kernels for further refinement. Controlled drying improves stability and quality.
The shell is now ready for separation.
Every crack is designed to preserve the kernel.
Automation keeps the process perfectly synchronized.
Human oversight guides every automated decision.
Precision handling protects product integrity.
Data drives continuous improvement.
One final check confirms production standards.
The final refinement process is about to begin.
Accuracy is confirmed one last time. The highest quality kernels are gathered for finishing.
Human expertise confirms machine precision.
Precision systems reveal the clean kernel beneath. The product begins to take its familiar form.
Uniformity becomes visible across every batch. Careful grading creates consistent product categories. Only the finest kernels move forward as premium product.
Stable conditions preserve product quality.
The cashews now enter the most automated part of the facility.
Automation now takes control of the journey. Automation now manages every movement with precision.
Every kernel is evaluated in fractions of a second.
Technology sees details beyond the human eye.
Moisture control protects freshness and longevity. Data verifies what the process has achieved. Data verifies what the process has achieved. Safety standards remain uncompromising.
Uniform appearance reflects careful processing.
The finest kernels receive special attention.
Even the smallest details matter.
Human expertise delivers the final confirmation.
Precision measurement ensures consistency in every package. Automation maintains a steady production rhythm. To begin.
Amount required.
The production line now nears completion.
Before release, every product must prove its quality. Every finished product must pass rigorous verification.
Representative samples reveal the consistency of the entire batch.
The product inside must meet the same standard.
Every detail contributes to the final quality score.
Measurement confirms production accuracy.
Every package remains connected to its origin.
Now the finished product prepares for its journey to the world. Every shipment must remain secure in transit.
The distribution journey is about to begin. Automation ensures speed, precision, and consistency.
The batch is cleared for distribution.
Certification marks the completion of testing. Technology manages every pallet with precision. Demand determines where the product travels next. Every shipment follows a carefully planned route.
The finished cashews are ready to leave the factory.
Verification ensures every order is correct. Thousands of steps have transformed a simple harvest into a finished product.
And this is how modern factories produce cashews from start to finish.
From orchard to shipment, every cashew passes through a remarkable industrial journey.